I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 11th day of June, and hot weather is the big story for the weekend. Looks like the hottest weather so far this year in the days ahead. Let's take a look and talk about it. First off, the Skycam images this morning. First off, from Birmingham, looking east from the Daniel Building. The sky mostly fair. There's the Clanton Skycam view. Nice to see some daylight there in the shot. And down in Selma, that's the Edmund Pettus Bridge crossing the Alabama River. There's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. You can see the MCS of the day up over the upper Midwest. Got that upper low spinning away through the western part of Arkansas, still producing some thunderstorms there. Big trough developing out west, and ridging is going to take over across the deep south. That's going to set the stage for a very toasty weekend. Here's our watch warning map. We've got flash flood watches up for a large part of Arkansas with that upper feature moving out of Texas. And up north, there's that MCS of the morning coming through parts of Minnesota and Iowa. A severe weather watch until 7 for that. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got the standard slight risk of severe weather from near Denver to Detroit. Tomorrow, slight risk of severe weather on top of the heat ridge all the way from Amarillo, Texas to near Pittsburgh. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a slight risk again for much of the heartland, including Amarillo, Topeka, Kansas, and Omaha, Nebraska. Here's a QPF chart. Expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Big rains up north, and around here we'll have the isolated afternoon storms, and this graphic not especially helpful because it is impossible to draw a graphic like this with summer convection, but if you smooth it out, maybe rainfall amounts of 1/4 to 1/2 inch here. And the tropics remain very quiet on this 11th day of the 2010 hurricane season. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. Trough out west, 594 heat bubble develops over the northeastern Gulf, and below that, we're expecting low 90s today. And again, look, every day there could be a storm. I mean, we're not saying there's no chance of rain. That's not the case. There is a chance of rain, but we're just saying any storm should be very isolated. Many spots will not get wet. Tomorrow, that old 594 heat ring expands as the trough digs out west, and down below that, same deal. Mid-90s are likely. And the dew points are high. That means the heat index will be around 100. That's the way it feels because of the combined effect of temperature and humidity. And again, any storm should be pretty isolated. Same thing on Sunday, mid-90s with a small chance of any one spot getting wet. Really, Monday of next week, things don't change that much. It looks relatively dry. And the same thing on Tuesday. So in low 90s, the heat bubble weakens slightly, but still it's going to be pretty hot. Wednesday of next week, very routine summer weather. Partly sunny with scattered afternoon showers and storms. Thursday of next week, and a week from today. Back in the upper levels, winds aloft light and variable. Stronger winds up north, and down below that, that would suggest a hot day with just a small chance of any one spot getting wet. We'll jump out to the end of the forecast on June the 26th. The 594 heat is getting established a little north of us, and again, you don't want to see that thing just kind of becoming a permanent fixture because this is early in the summer season. If that thing wants to set up shop here through July and August, that means hot and dry, and again, that looks pretty quiet out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.